Now, Procter Gamble is widely regarded as a defensive stock. Defensive stocks are those that tend to perform relatively well during economic downturns or recessions. These companies typically offer essential products or services that tend to maintain consistent demand even in challenging economic conditions. Now, as a leading consumer goods company, P&G manufactures a diverse range of household products, including personal care items, cleaning supplies, and healthcare products. And these goods are considered essential items in that consumers continue to purchase them even during economic hardships. Now, with expectations that the Federal Reserve may not have finished their rate hiking cycle, is a defensive play sensible? The seasonals for Procter Gamble are certainly very strong. Look, over the last 20 years, Procter Gamble have gained 85% of the time, and the average return has been 5.26%, and the maximum gain has been a pretty impressive 17.89% here in 2020. The maximum loss, there's one main outlier here in 2015 with 11.83%, and relatively minor maximum drops during that period. So, is this a stock worth buying for the summer months? Major trade risks. There are multiple risks in markets at the moment, and traders should be aware of them. With the next Fed meeting a likely key driver for stocks, that is the most obvious near-term risk. Also, there is individual stock risks for Procter and Gamble. Remember, don't just trade it, but seize an exit.